Hello parents, how are you? I'm teacher Lydia. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for subscribing our Joyous Learning Box. I'm sure most of the parents are facing the common problem. For example, running out of idea of what else I can do at home with my child. Second, your child is spending a lot of time on TV. And last one, I'm sure most of the parents are worried about your child not being able to catch up with their learning skill, especially during the school closure period. Okay, now I will tell you more about the learning box and how it can benefit you and your child. Our Joyous Learning Box are developed based on child developmental milestone. It covers 3 main skills that are important for your child. First one, learning skill. Second, social and emotional skill. And last one, functional skill. By age 2 and 3, children start to learn about basic concepts such as alphabet, numbers, shapes, and colors. Also, they are able to sit down and complete tasks. And some of them, they may start to understand some simple instruction. Not only that, they also start to be more independent by doing things by their own. For example, self-dressing part, feeding part, and last one, they're able to keep their toys after each play. The idea is to equip our children with the skills that are important for them in the future. And the good news is you don't have to prepare everything from your side because we have prepared everything from you inside the learning box. Wow, I can't wait to show you what we have inside our box. Let's go! It's so heavy! Wow, there are so many things inside. Okay, I have taken out everything from the box and we have 4 theme books from the box. So this learning box, we're going to learn about shapes. We have crescent, star, heart, and diamond. Alright, next I will show you how to start the lesson. First, you may refer to our lesson guidebook. So in this lesson guidebook, it covers 60 lessons for 1 month from week 1 to week 4. And you will only need about 30 to 40 minutes for 2 to 3 lessons in just 1 day. Okay, next I will show you how to use our theme book. For example, week 2, we're going to learn about star. So in our theme book, remember to look for our 4 signature icons. First one, worksheet. Second, video tutorial. Third, learning kits. And last one, art and craft kits. Let's look into one of the examples. Day 2, our activity we look into gross motor. So remember to look for the icon behind each lesson topic. It will show you what material you will need for the lesson. So we look at the reach the star. Behind here, it shows we need video lesson and learning kits. So I will show you where is our learning kits. Alright, so this is the material for reach the star. So how you can find it? Remember to look for each label behind each package. So it will show you the week and the day that you will need for the lesson. Our theme book also includes all the worksheets you will need for the lesson. Let me show you. For example, counting worksheet, art and craft worksheet, tracing worksheet, and so on. It's not finished yet because we have more. We prepared this art and craft kits for you. Okay, so let's look inside. We have the watercolor, scissor, tweezer, glue, and water brush. Wow, we don't have to go out and buy anything because we have prepared everything for you. As you know, our kids also learn through play. So we also include 1 sensory play activity in our learning box. For example, in this learning box, you will find a package of flour and I'm sure your kid will love it. But you might worry about the cleaning process, right? Let me share with you one tip. You can find a tray like this. You can put the flour inside the tray and then you can find a sensory play corner at your car porch area. And you can have fun with your kid. And we also prepare 1 additional activity book for you. So it is small in size and you can carry everywhere you go, especially when you are busy. You can keep your child occupied with this small activity learning book. One last thing, don't forget our colorful Play-Doh. These Play-Doh are proudly made by our teams. They are child-friendly, non-preservative, and non-toxic. Wow, it seems not so difficult to conduct a lesson at home with your child, right? Because we have prepared everything you need in just 1 box, alright? So I hope you enjoy the learning with your kid, and if you have any question, feel free to reach to our customer service for further assistance. Happy learning! Bye-bye!